Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are just going to see how to insert a hierarchy chart on your Canva sheets on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the hierarchy chart on your Canva sheets on your computer, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, select the data. You just need to create a sheet. Then here you just need to click on the action button or go to the charts on the side. So now I just click on the view all option to change the hierarchy chart. So just scroll down, you can find an option called hierarchy charts and click on see all option, and here you can find a 3-4 different type of charts: a simple tree map, a simple packed circles, a packed circles, and tree map. I just go with the tree map trick here. Now you just need to select the data group. For an example, I just want to select all the data groups, so it will be create a date chart for all the data group. And also the size also can be changed. We can see how it's look like. And also go to the customization here. Another source of settings and everything has been here, so you can just change the level, so you can see how it's going to changing here. And if you just need to change something like this, or you can just use this. Otherwise you can just click this and you can just change the color on the top by clicking here. You can see you can just easily customize the color too. So this is how you just change the or create a hierarchical chart on your Canva sheets on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.